Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. First, launch the Marvel Snap game. Tap on the settings option from the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the language option. You will find it right below the download all assets option. Tap on the drop-down button right beside the language option. Now, swipe up or down to browse through the list of languages. Once you find the language you prefer, tap on it to select it. And this is how you can change language on Marvel Snap. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.